Good morning! I just woke up and magluluto na ako ng chicken curry. So yeah, come with me guys and let's cook together. Of course, hindi mawawala ang green tea sa morning. And so, I'm done cooking. I forgot to buy bell pepper. Sayang.
But wait a second. Yeah, well, maybe if you'd focus more on
Can
your
you
work,
just
stop treating
hurry
yourself like a peacock all the time.
Martin! Sorry.
No, just wait a second. The crazy one just came in and started screaming out. What do you want?
All the flights are completely full, and the ferries haven't got any more cargo slots.
Yes, well, BMW or some other shit. No, it's okay. It's nothing.
Hi everyone! So, I decided to fix and organize my things dito sa taas. Bali, itong bahay ko is loft type house siya. So, oh my god, I'll show you. Sobrang gulo dito sa taas. I just moved here in Yokohama last November. So, lahat ng mga gamit ko na hindi nagagamit is andito. But the thing is, until now, hindi ko pa siya nagagawa, hindi ko pa siya naaayos. I don't know, I'm just too lazy. Mag-isa naman ako dito sa bahay, so it's okay, right? Wala naman akong amo. Yeah, so, dito yung bed ko. And then, nandito ako sa stairs. So, here is my things. Oh my god. Nakikita nyo ba ako doon? I'm wearing pajama. And pantulog na. Yeah. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung paano ko uumpisahan. Oh my god. It's, ano oras na ba? It's currently 11:23. See? Pero hindi kasi ako makatulog, so why not? Gawin ko na lang productive yung ano ko, gabi ko. Since minsan alas 3, alas 2 ako matulog. I didn't know why. I just got siguro insomnia or something. Or nakailang kape din kasi ako today, so I guess. But anyways, okay, let's do this together. Pag nakikita ko pa lang, parang pagod na ako, pero I can do this. I'll keep you posted, guys. This one is made by Salve. Hi, Kaz. Thank you so much. Ang dami kong memories sa Osaka. I miss you guys. By the way, guys, I work at Kansai Airport, Botoju, for about 2 years and 3 months. So, yun, ang dami kong memories sa Osaka. And I really miss you guys. I really miss working with you. Those memories. Oh my god, sorry. Pero totoo naman. Guys, yung mga ka-work ko dyan sa Osaka, if you're watching this, please share, subscribe. So, I gotta put my camera here. Oh my god. How do I start? Can you give me suggestions or recommendations, guys? How can I do it? This whole thing. Like, bago kami lumipat dito sa Yokohama, sinabi na namin ahead of time na ibaba yung bed. Kasi hassle din pag nandito sa taas yung bed. So, ayun. I have a lot of things, guys. tinaas ko na yung iba kong gamit. I mean, yung mga boots ko kasi pa-spring na din. Ay, naku po. Ang dami kong gamit. Guys, who love One Piece? Ah, sa'yo na. Sa'yo na talaga. Gusto mo? Sa'yo na. I'll give it to you na lang. Kailangan ko na din kasi talaga siyang ayusin kasi magpapabox ako by April. So, kailangan yung iba kong gamit is mailagay ko sa box. Bali, ito lahat is mga shoes ko na pang summer na hindi nagagamit. A lot of shoes. This one is a Michael Kors. This is my gift to my mom. If you see, I'll show you. This one is my gift to my mom last September on her birthday. Since we didn't see each other, ito na lang. Bibigay ko pagka uwi ko. Yeah. Cutie. So, kailangan ko nang ilabas ito. Kasi the next time na gagawin ko is papak ng mga gamit. Hindi ko na siya inalis sa mga box kasi hindi na din kasya dun sa may lagayan ng mga sapatos sa baba. Then, ipa to na gamit. Biliin nyo na. Bilhin nyo na to, guys. Charis lang. It's Air Jordan. Well, this is not for me. This is for someone. Charis, hindi ba? Bilhin nyo na lang. Papadala ko to sa box. Kailangan ko magtanggal. This is for my mom. Naipon lahat ng mga gift ko sa kanya. It's so makalat, guys. I'm so sorry. Basically, ako yung tao na nagbibigay ng gift. I love giving gifts. That's how I express my feelings, my love to a person, and my intentions. It's not about the materialism naman eh. It's about the effort and the meaning of the gift. Diba? Ito mga to, nakuha ko lang to sa mga arcades sa Osaka before. Congrats, Self, you did it. Bali, itong 2 boxes is laman niya yung mga papadala ko sa Pilipinas. I'm not yet finished and I'm so hungry right now. It's already 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm hungry but I found these cards. Naglalaro din ba kayo ng ganito? Magbe-break muna ako. Cheers. Pagod na ako. Ang dami ko pala talagang gamit. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. So, ito yung mga napundar ko dito sa Japan. Pag tinitingnan ko sila, grabe. Guys, it's 1:10 a.m. I'm still in hyper mode. So, eto na yung last na aayusin ko. Grabe. Eto, galing kasi siya sa baba. So, ganyan siya. Kagulo. Ito lang yung nakaya ng power ko tonight. Oh my God. So, tapos na. But those boxes na dalawa is naka-separate na. So, yeah. My eyes is so sleepy na. And tomorrow, I'm still off. And yeah. How was your day, guys? I hope you're doing great. And it's time for me to sleep. But I'm proud of myself. At least natapos ko kahit hindi siya organized na sobra. At least alam ko kung saan ko nakukunin. Tapos, the next thing na gagawin ko is mag-order na ako ng bags para nilagay ko na yung ibang gamit na ipapadala ko. So, yeah. Anyways, good night and spread love. Gusto ko nang humiga dito, guys. Oh my God. I'm so sleepy. Nakaiga ako dito sa floor. So, yeah, that's it.